Why do I make things complicated? Why do I lose all my control? I keep on letting my bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I was gonna say good morning, but you might not be watching this when it's morning. Today I'm going to just kind of take you along for the day. We're going to tidy, and it's actually kind of a sick day at home because Victor's got a cold, and yeah, it's just him, thankfully, so far that got a cold. He's just been staying home from preschool, so I'm just going to kind of tidy around him, and I've got a Hinch list for the day, so I'm going to share that with you as well. So I've also got to run to the post office today, so it's quite a full-on day today. So yeah, I'll just take you along and see how much I can get done today. I actually just finished making the bed and doing everything in here, which I'll share with you in a second, but I just wanted to show you, just kind of to keep it real. While I was kind of tidying up everything in here, let me show you what Victor's been up to in his room. So this is what he was up to. I swear, tidying up with children, it's like never ending. I could hear him dumping that box of toys on the floor, and it's like when you hear that noise when you are tidying in a room and they're making a mess in the next one, it's like it's never going to end. Life of a mom. But before we get into the cleaning, I just wanted to share with you some new pieces of jewelry that I got today. And this part of the video is sponsored by Ana Luisa, which you guys probably know I've worked with in the past. I've been working with them. Just pop you down. I've been working with them for I think over a year now, and I just love their pieces of jewelry. I've got a lot of their necklaces. I think my favorite one so far is the Mama necklace, which you guys probably know I wear a ton. Today I just wanted to show you the pieces that I picked this month. So I've got this set of necklaces, and it's actually quite cool because I actually thought in the beginning that they would be kind of connected. You know how sometimes you get those layered necklaces and they're connected at the back, so they only have one hinge. Well, this one is actually, they're two separate ones, but for one price, which is amazing because you basically get two pieces of jewelry for the price of one. And they also have a sale at the moment. I think they've got 25% off. If you go to the link in the description box, you'll be able to find that. Yeah, so you can just wear them separately if you prefer, but it comes with this little piece. It's kind of got like a starburst in the middle or something like that. So cute. I love kind of charm jewelry like this. And then it also comes with this kind of horn thingy, which I really like. I feel like it looks really cool. So yeah, this is one of the pieces that I picked. So beautiful. I'm really excited to wear this. And then I also got in my little box. First of all, I really like their boxes because they're tiny, so you know, just more environmentally friendly, and their packaging is really simple, which I really like as well. And they come in these pouches now, the Ana Luisa jewelry, which are supposed to be really good for travel as well. And I really like that because if you're traveling somewhere, you just want to take some pieces of jewelry with you, then these are going to be really good to keep them kind of safe, you know, while you're traveling. So this is where the necklaces were in there. And then I also got these two pouches, so let me show you what I picked. I'm so excited about these. You guys can help me decide which one to wear today. So first piece is this pair of earrings. How beautiful are these? They're kind of like hoop earrings, but really tiny ones. So cute. I think I'm going to wear these a lot because they're so simple. And then I also picked these ear climber earrings. So they kind of look like this. If you see in the back, they just kind of look like that, and they climb up on your ear, if you know what I mean. So cute. I love ear climber earrings. I actually have a few of them, and I just love wearing these. Yeah, so let me try them on. So I've got the ear climber ones. Yeah, so those are the ear climber ones, and then let me grab one of these ones. Did I get it in? I think so. So this is what this one looks like. It's so dainty. I really like this one as well. Let me know in the comments below which one you guys prefer. I'm actually not sure which one I want to wear today. I kind of like them both. I think I might go with these ones for today. Yeah, so those are the pieces that I picked today. I'm just going to switch this one with the other one just so that I have matching ones, because otherwise I'm just going to forget and go with mismatched earrings all day. But yeah, if you guys want to get 25% off any of these jewelries, I think they would make for a really nice Christmas gift, maybe for some loved ones or maybe for yourself. I don't judge. This will all be linked in the description box. So now let's go ahead and get started with the tidying. Okay, so here is my Hinch list for the day. So I've got a few rooms that I kind of want to tackle. Hopefully I get this all done today. We'll see how it goes. But I want to tackle the bedroom, just kind of tidy up, hoover, everything like that. I really need to do the sink in the kitchen. I like it's a bit grimy. So that's what I'm going to do in here. Then I've got the living room to tidy, dust hoover. And then I've also got, obviously this is not a room, but I've got to tackle my Etsy parcels. So I need to do a trip to the post office. And I do need to print some labels beforehand and just kind of prep everything that I need for that. So yeah, that's my list for the day. Okay, so we're starting in the bedroom, and I've got quite a few things to tackle in here. So first I'm going to make the bed, and then I've also got to tackle all of this. So I've just been working on some fun stuff with my Cricut here, the Cricut machine. So I've got boxes of things that everything came in, just labels for post office printing. I've got the scale. So I just kind of want to tidy up my space in here because I've just been working on making them, and it was so much fun. Honestly, I had such fun evenings just kind of chilling and watching some Netflix in the background and making these. So these are coffee. I mean, I think that technically you could use them for wine or coffee or anything like that because they're stainless steel. I'm mostly going to use mine for coffee. Yeah, so I've had so much fun making these. I actually just wanted to make some for myself, but then I figured I might as well just make a few extra, and I put them up on my Etsy shop. So if any of you are interested, then I will link it down below. But I don't have a lot of them that left. I've already sold a few, and I'm honestly not sure how many more I'm going to make. But yeah, I had so much fun making these. I think this is my favorite one. And then I also made these, which are obviously more for cold drinks. So they say, what a day. So I've got the mint blue one, and then this kind of papaya peach color. So yeah, I'll link these down below for anyone who's interested. But yeah, but now I'm just going to go and kind of tidy up in here, put everything away, and kind of organize this a little bit because these boxes are kind of stressing me out here. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that.
Bad habits make us both come crashing to the floor. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Stripping down new. Stripping down new. Stripping down new. This is not what we should be. Start to get the best of me. Inside myself, I swear to never talk about it until I start to yell. Something to save us, close but we're strangers. Feel like we're far apart. Strip it down, new. Strip it down.
Okay, so I'm just finishing packaging up these orders. I've got these cute little stickers. Let me show you. It's these ones. So cute. I'm going to put these on all the orders. And then I've got these thank you cards, and I'm just going to write a little bit of something for everyone who orders. I really like the idea that we're going to have matching ones. I've been using this one the most, this shade, the papaya one, and then this one as well for my coffee. So yeah, yes, I'm just going to finish packaging up orders. I need to print labels from Royal Mail, and then yeah, finish thank you cards, everything like that. So I'm just going to get it all ready and then head to the post office. Okay, so apparently before printing the labels for the postage, I just need to measure the parcels and see how big they are, or like I guess how heavy they are. Finished at the post office. I'm not even sure if you can see me very well because it's so sunny, but yeah, all finished. The parcels have been dropped. So excited for those of you who have ordered to get your tumblers. Yeah, so I am going to head back home now and carry on with doing a bit of tidying, and I think I'm just gonna call it a day. But yeah, let's go see what the boys are up to. Okay, I'm back home. Excuse that, I'm just having a sausage roll because I got a bit hungry. And I'm going to make another coffee, and I'm going to get started in the kitchen, just kind of tidy up a bit, spray the surfaces. I really want to clean the sink.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was scrappy but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words. What you said, what I said, that might have made it worse. We're here again at the same spot where we kissed the first time. I swear my pain's far away, long gone by now. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night. For all again we can spend the firewood till it's end. Nobody's gonna force the morning. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That star's got nothing on you. That one's brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. Still it's got nothing on you tonight. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
I got done pretty much everything that I wanted to do except for the living room, because it's still cluttered with toys, and I've just kind of decided I'm going to pick my battles today, and I'm just going to let all of the toys stay there, and we're just going to tidy them up together at the end of the day before bedtime, because I feel like if I tidy them up now, he's just going to get all of them out again by the time it's bedtime. So I'm just going to do that tonight. So I didn't cross that off my list, but that's okay. Like, this is a really realistic cleaning day as a mom. So yeah, sometimes you do everything that you want to and sometimes you don't, and that's okay. So yeah, I'm almost done with my coffee, but I did everything else that I wanted to do. I did the kitchen, which I'm really glad, because I really wanted to do the sink. It was a bit gross, to be honest. So I'm glad I got that done. And the parcels at the post box, those were kind of my priorities today. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and play with Victor. That's pretty much what I have planned for the rest of the day. And yeah, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa jewelry if you're interested to get these on a discount. So yeah, the link will be in the description box. And yes, I do hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.